Hello, I'm Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the Scout 261 XSS. Notice aft we have a 400 white Mercury Verado engine on the back. Really nice bench seat across the transom. Livewell built in on either side, port and starboard. If you are hardcore fishing or don't need the seats, these easily fold down to get out of your way. Bilge access under this seat, but it is a nice setup where you can shut all these up. The sun isn't touching the cushions. Also have a live well right behind the helm seat. Clear box here, raw water wash down. Also have a built-in charger where you can plug in a drop cord there. It charges the entire system. Corian countertop across this. Moving up towards the helm, you have a nice acrylic dash. You'll notice a 12-inch Garmin screen. This is in the split mode, so you can see the fish finder and the GPS. Zip wake for trim tabs. Double phone chargers on either side. This boat does have the jack plate control, which is right here by the helm, by the steering wheel. Up top here, Garmin VHF, smart craft. And then you have the full glass windshield here, which is a fantastic option. Really protects you from the elements. Moving forward, you've got a nice head compartment here with a vacuum flush head. Pop-up cleats on the side. And one of my favorite parts of the boat, the bow area. You'll notice the great seating arrangement up here with the backrest. Great storage underneath this lounge area. You also have the Minn Kota trolling motor, which has the spot lock as well. This is the 261 XSS from Scout, and I'm Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. If you'd like to take a look at this boat in person, we can be reached at 910-256-8100.